raising your hand before I even say, I could say, who out there picks their nose, and she has her hand up, right? You never know what I'm gonna say, right? Okay, who out there burps with the best of them? With the best of them. Really? Well, tonight might be the challenge, okay? Because we're gonna vote for a fabulous prize. I need 4 volunteers. 4 volunteers to come up here. The first 4. The first 4. The first 4 volunteers. The first 4 volunteers. Okay, I got my 4 volunteers. Here's your soda. Ew. Ew, 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 ew. You didn't even need soda. But go ahead and take your soda. Go ahead and take your soda. We're gonna give you about like 10 seconds, 5 seconds to chug. All right? Now listen. Yes, 5 seconds. I didn't say you had to chug the whole thing instant. But listen. All right, you are the voters, okay? So if whoever you vote for wins a fabulous prize. Okay. Hey, are you paying attention to directions? Don't distract my contestants, please. Okay. All right, line up. Okay, ready? I'm gonna give you 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go on the best burp, okay? Yeah, open it. Everybody chugs. Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Chug the Mountain Dew, chug the Mountain Dew. All right. Okay. I hope you got a good enough in there. Hope you're not burping yet. And if you need this, by all means, okay? If something else comes up, then air, please use this. All right, are we ready? And should we give them 2 tries? Let's give them 2 tries, because you might have a weak one coming up first. Okay, ready? Ready? I'm gonna even give you the mic. Okay, that's why we give you 2. That's why we give you 2. No, make it second time around. Okay, second time around. That one was a little short. That one sounded a little juicy. A little steam came with that one. Okay. Who's using this mic anyways? I feel sorry for whoever's using it. All right, let's try again. He's building up air. Oh. This one looks like something else is going to come up with that one. Put this right there. He's like bending all up. You're going to have gas later if you keep doing that. It's going to come out the other end.
I got nothing.
Come on. Build it. Go ahead, you can have more. Yeah, you just, everybody needed to almost clear the area on that one. Okay. Oh my gosh! That sounded like it was going to be projectile vomit on that one. Oh my gosh. Okay, her eyes cross every time she does that. Oh, okay. It's time for voting, guys. It's time for voting. Player number 1, burper number 1, burper number 2. We can applause for effort. Burper number 3. Burper number 4. Okay, it's a little close. Burper number 3. Burper number 4. All right, burper number 4, and you can split it with your close partner here if you want. Thank you guys for participating.